Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Lifestyle with Chris. In my last video where I talked about how to make money online while living in the Caribbean, someone asked a question, and that is, how would I get paid if I start making money online? Alright, so this video I'm going to be focusing on 3 ways where you can get paid while living in the Caribbean. Alright, so stay tuned, you don't want to miss this. The first one we are going to deal with is PayPal. I know many of us, if not all of us, we know about PayPal, right? PayPal is a global service that moves money from the merchant to your card, all right? And it's pretty simple. It's safe to use, especially when you are making a purchase. You know, one of the benefits is that you don't have to enter your credit card information or your bank information when making purchases online. I'm sure if you're making a payment on, let's say, Amazon, you're purchasing something, and then check out, you have the option of using your credit card, or you can use PayPal. All right, so that is exactly what PayPal is about, right? So it's secure. It's a secure online payment facility, right? If you see me looking down, I'm just looking at my nose, all right? Alright, so also you can receive payments as well. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is to go to paypal.com. I'm going to leave the link down below. You go to PayPal, www.paypal.com, and you sign up for free. It doesn't cost a thing. Alright, you enter your name, your valid email address, phone number, and your residential address. Alright, and that's it. The next thing that you have to do is to link your credit card or your US bank account. I don't know if any of you will have a US bank account, but if you do, hooray to you. I'm not sure if you are not residing in the US, if you will be able to open a bank account. I'm not sure about that, but that is one of the options. Alright, so you link your US bank account. There was a time when I was thinking I could have linked my local bank account, but after calling the banks, you know, they told me that no, they're not affiliated with them, and no, it can't happen. So I had to use my credit card. So another option you can use is your credit card. You can either your credit card or your VTM card, which is your prepaid card, right? So I use my VTM card, and I was able to link my VTM card to PayPal, and then I receive payments. The only thing I don't like about this though is that the exchange rate is pretty lower than I thought, right? And it takes a couple of days, if not weeks, before you can get your payment. So that's the only downfall to this. All right, so if you would love this option, well, you can start today. If you're a freelancer or if you're making money online in any way or the other, and PayPal is one of the options, then you can start by signing up and linking your bank account, your US bank account, or your credit card. All right. Another platform that you can use, the second one that I discovered, is called YPay. I don't know how many of you know about this. YPay. Right, so YPay was created in 2016 because the Caribbean faced numerous challenges with digital payments, right? So YPay constructed a platform that promises simplicity, flexibility, and security for each user. How cool is that, right? It enables anything connected to the internet to move money at a fast pace for the banked and for the unbanked. According to the CEO, Aldwin Wayne, he said that it is the #1 payment platform in the Caribbean, empowering people to accept and make payments online using all forms of payment in local currency. Do we want anything better than that? So, you know, there is no excuse for you now. You can make money online, and it's so easy to, you know, receive your payments. Now, I'm going to show you what you need to do to start receiving payments on YPay. Now, you have 2 options when signing up. You can sign up under the personal account or the business account. All right, let's talk about the business account. Now, when you first register for the personal account, you will automatically get an unverified account. Now, in order for you to get a verified account, you have to upload some documents. You have to upgrade the account, and in order to upgrade the account, you have to upload some documents. They are, number one, your ID, personal ID, maybe in the form of your national ID, your passport, or your driver's permits. Next thing that you have to do is to upload a utility bill, proof of address, either a utility bill or not older than 3 months, or bank statements. Third thing that you have to do is to, if you're a foreign national, then you have to upload a residency letter. All right, so that's just it if you want to upgrade and if you want a verified account. All right, so let's go on to the business account. Same thing with the business account. When you just register for the business account, you will get an unverified account. In order to verify your account, you have to upgrade your account and upload some documents. Well, as you know, the business, we have 4 structures of business, right? They are the sole trader, the partnership, the company, and the non-governmental, the NGO, right? So each of these categories will have different documents that you have to upload. So whichever one suits you, you just have to go on the website, and which one is applicable to you, then you will know what documents you must upload to get a verified account. And that's it for YP. Extremely easy. It is easy, guys. There's nothing keeping you back now. That's why I'm encouraging you to go and seek ways where you can get paid online in US. When that converts to TT, you know what's going on there. All right, so that is the second one, YP. Let's move over to the third way. If you are not sure how you can make money online, I made a video on ways you can make money online while living in the Caribbean. If you have not seen that video, please check it out now. I'm going to put the link up there. Please check it out, and there are numerous ways and more ways where you can make money online. You just have to research. All right, if you like teaching, there is Cambly, there is Preply. If you have a skill, there is Fiverr, there is Upwork. Come on, what's keeping you back? All right, so let's get into the third way. And if you love this content, please subscribe to this channel, because I'll be posting more and more content like this. All right, click on that notification bell because you won't want to miss my upcoming videos. I've reached the third one. It's called Payoneer. Payoneer. I don't know if you all have ever heard of this, but Payoneer is used to receive payments and to make payments internationally. It's another platform for e-commerce sellers, freelancers, business owners, to receive payments from marketplaces and international clients. All right, the top marketplaces are Fiverr, Upwork, Airbnb, you name it. It's a wide range. All right, guys. So, as I said before, you can receive payments and you can make payments, but for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to be focusing on receiving payments, right? Because remember, I'm just focusing on if you are working online, if you're a freelancer, you want to receive payments. If you want to learn about how to make payments, then you can just check out the website. There's lots of information there regarding that. All right, so if you, let's say you are on Fiverr and you have to put in an option of how we want to receive your payment, then there is an option for PayPal, there's an option for ACH, bank transfer, and there's an option for Payoneer, right? You choose Payoneer as your option to receive. You just have to, when you receive that money, it goes into your Payoneer account, and then you can withdraw the funds or you can transfer to your local bank account, because with Payoneer you have to put in your bank information. When you go onto the website, you will understand what I'm saying, right? There's an option where you have to upload your bank statement to verify your account, things like that. It's pretty straightforward. All right, now if you are receiving money directly from clients, right? You can use your credit card or ACH if you are in the US, and you can also do a bank transfer. All right, once you receive, you can then withdraw it to your bank account. It's just so straightforward. All right, and all the details are there on the website. You just have to go onto the website. I'm going to link it down below. And as I said before, if you are, maybe you want to receive payments or you want to make payments to your clients, okay, or contractors, then there's instructions for that as well on the website. I mean, what better way? I mean, everything is going digital, everything is going online, so don't waste time. You still have time. So I'm gonna encourage you to find that way where you can make money online. Fire your boss, right? Once you have a skill, you can even learn a skill, and then once you are versed at that skill, then you can, you have so many options of making money online and receiving money. So there is absolutely no excuse. All right, with regards to Cambly, I have not gotten through it Cambly up to now. I know it could take up to 6 months, which is eating my heart out right now, but patience is key, right? Patience is key. Good things come to those who wait. All right, so I have not gotten through it Cambly, but I'm still waiting. But Fiverr is hard work. You have to be consistent. You have to go at it, right? Don't give up. It's not gonna come overnight. Working online is not. It's a good thing to work online, but it is hard work. It is working smart, and it takes consistency and persistency. Don't expect to just sign up today and then make money tomorrow. That is not how online works. All right, sometimes it does work like that for some people, lucky for them, but for others like myself, you have to just keep at it, go at it, don't give up, and just look forward and just be hopeful, right? Oh gosh, if you love this information that I just imparted, I just hope that you will give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Click on that notification bell, because I'll be posting more videos just like this. All right guys, so bye bye, and see you in my next video.